Hello everyone, in front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, then go to Keep at It if you are not in this panel, and here we will be entering secret codes. Let me start with the first one. It is *##, 0000, #*#, and here we've got about phone details. So if you wish to check your model, build number, hardware version, emails, and so on, smoothly enter this code and have it all right in front of you. So let me go back. Another code, if you need only email or serial number, is *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got both email numbers and also serial number assigned to your HONOR. Tap on OK then. And another code that you can use here is *##, 426, #*#. Now we are in FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. And if you'll tap on more icon, you can smoothly enroll advanced view. So here it is. Let's go back then. And the last code that I want to show you today is the calendar info. Just enter *##, 225, #*#. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar details. So all events which are saved in any calendar of yours, obviously this calendar has to be connected with your device, would be displayed right here. So from now on, you will not forget about any upcoming event. And that's it, that will be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.